Oh, my name's Joe Bryant, and I'm retired. Moved out here to the lake and enjoying life. Installation is really easy. It's truly a DIY project. If you can drill a hole and plug 2 wires together, you can install this system. The only other thing is plugging a transformer into a 110 outlet. So anybody can do it with the most basic skills. The parts are well made, they're watertight, they're very resistant, haven't broken anything yet. I can be rough on things at times, so that's a good thing. Being on the lake, a lot of houses are elevated up. Sometimes people think it's because of flooding, but it's not. It's because of the view. So our house is elevated up quite a bit, and our entrance is from the back of the house. So we park under the house, walk up the stairs, and come in. We opted for a motion detector on the stairs, so when we approach the stairs, those lights kick on. And the motion detector is also able to set anywhere between 1 minute to 999 minutes. So I've got mine set down to a real low minute, so they just kick on, give me plenty of time to get up, get in, and then they just cycle back off.